In this recording in the series of creating stock, we will show you how to create stock using the method of extrude boundary and 3D model. Let's start with extrude boundary. Extrude boundary is very simple. It's basically creating a chain around the part itself, and that will automatically be extruded according to the actual upper and lower level as defined in your coordinate system. Let's see how this works. If I click, for example, on this edge, right now I'm creating a chain geometry. Just click on this edge, and since I have it set, that's grabbing tangent automatically and constant of z automatically, it automatically created a chain around the part. And this will be my stock boundary now. If I had a sketch that I had outside and I worked on the sketch, it would do that as well. The depth that would be shown inside my stock itself, if I click on show, will be actually the exact upper and lower level, the exact depth that I have as defined in my coordinate system. Now, I should note that as far as the chain geometries, we will have a completely separate set of recordings explaining how to work with chain geometries. The next option I'd like to show you is the option of 3D model. 3D model is very simple. If I click on a model, that will be my stock. Now, obviously in this particular case, since this is my end product, I don't want to have this as my stock. If I click on show now, it's going to show me that is my stock. And that's not really my stock. My stock is something else that I may want as a 3D model. For example, I may have a mold for this part or a pre-machined part that is bigger than this. So how do I get that into my 3D model? One of the ways, and this is the way I prefer, is if I create a configuration with that inside my model, then I can use that configuration. For example, if I go to my configurations, I created a configuration on my part called stock. And the way that stock looks is actually like this. It looks like a pre-machined part, getting it ready for the CNC machine. All I have to do now is just click on that, and my stock will look exactly like this. And I will use this as my stock, and this will also be considered for my updated stock as well. In my next recording on the issue of creating stock, we will be talking about defining stock by cylinder.